Hello, my dear children. Very good morning. You're most welcome in class 12th accountancy. I, R.R. Tripathi, from LPM Public School, Gola Bazaar, Gorakhpur, going to explain the income and expenditure account of Chennai Sports Club. Question number 43. Dear children, in series of video, plenty of videos have been sent for the sake of you to deserve the fact information given in the question, how the financial statement of NPOs is prepared, how the balance sheet, how the income expenditure, receipt and payment account. One of the problem you have sent me, just the question number 43, that is the Chennai Sports Club. Now I am going to read the question for the sake of you first. Following is the receipt and payment account of Chennai Sports Club, that is given. Subscription 2 lakhs, government grant 75,000, legacies 1,50,000. This one is the receipt and payment account. All the information given, and go through the information, my dear children. Just the additional information given below the receipt and payment account. Subscription received during the year included rupees 10,000 from a life member and a donation of rupees 50,000 received for building fund. So the information given, go through the information, and you can find the option where such items are recorded in income column or expenditure column. This one is the expenditure column. Expenditure, and this one is the income. Amount, that is debit, and this one is the credit. Go through the income first. The by subscription, received during the year, that is 2 lakhs given, and then one of the additional information given, just in subscription included life membership fee and donation for building fund. So less amount of life membership fee and life membership fee and donation for building. Minus 60,000. $50,000 other book value of defense bond sold was 30/60 of the defense. Municipal taxes amounted per year is paid up to 30 June. Rent rupees 5,000 is related to the year ended 31st March 2018, and we are preparing this one 31st March 2019. Then after the rent, it was decided to treat 40% of the amount received on account of legacies and donation as income. On 1st April 2018, the club owned furniture rupees 1,10,000. Furniture is valued at rupees 1,05,000 on 31st March. Just that is the income of the subscription is equal to 1,40,000 government grant legacies. By legacies, because of in additional information that is given 40% amount 1,50,000, so that will be the 60,000, that is treated as income. Then after donation, by donation, donation that is given 1,50,000, donation 1 lakh given is equal to 40,000. 40% of the amount will be treated as income. This one is the information given. Then after donations for tournament fund, tournament expenses given, so it will be treated as tournament expenses in payment column 60,000, 10,000 in expenditure column will be shown. And sale of defense bonds, that is 40,000, and book value of defense bond sold was rupees 30,000. So the profit on sale of defense bond, by profit on sale of defense bond, profit on sale of defense bond, defense bond 40,000 minus 30,000 is equal to 10,000. In additional information that is given, the value of the defense bond which has been sold, that is 30,000, and the defense bond was sold rupees 40,000, 10,000 as a profit. So it will be recorded in the income column of the income expenditure account, rupees 10,000. Interest on defense bond. So by interest on defense bond, by interest, that is income, annual income, interest on defense bond, defense bond that is given, interest on defense bonds 6,000. Next, interest received on FD fixed deposit, by interest on FD, interest on FD fixed deposit, that is 15,000. 15,000. Then other income related to the year, it was decided to treat 40% of the amount legacy and other types of the. So this is the total income received by the club, and then come to the point of payment column. In payment column, municipal taxes to municipal taxes. Municipal taxes. Because of that, the additional information adjustment given regarding this one. So in column 20,000 and municipal tax prepaid rupees 5,000 in the beginning as well as at the end of the year. So that is less prepaid expenses on municipal tax minus 5,000. That will be 15,000. Prepaid rupees 5,000 in the beginning as well as at the end of the year. Then after to charity. Charity 45,000. Charity, rent, to rent, the additional information given regarding rent, that is rent rupees 5,000 related to the year ended 31st March 2018 and rupees 2,500 is still owing. So that is 30,000 less previous year rent, minus 5,000, 27,500. Then after add outstanding at the end of the year. Outstanding plus 2,500. That will be 25,000. That is 27,500. 27,500. The amount will be 27,500. Then after fixed deposit with bank, meeting expenses 2, meeting expenses given 25,000. TV set tournament expenses Tournament expenses will be, because of that, the tournament fund given 50,000, expenses given 60,000. So the real expense from the 10,000 expenses is more than the 10,000 because of the fund available in the sports club. So that will be the 10,000. 60,000 minus 50,000 is equal to 10,000 will be debited to the expenditure column. Tournament expenses. And now come to the point again. Municipal taxes amounted to rupees 20,000 per year is paid up to 30 June. Municipal tax amounted to rupees 20,000 per year is up to paid 30 June. So now dear children, you can find the 5,000 municipal tax is 15,000 less prepaid 5,000 30 June. And then after just the interest on fixed deposit, that is 3 lakhs 10%. 3 lakhs 10% and 1/7/2018 means in July it has been recorded. So now dear children, you can find the interest. You can see a little bit of working note. 3 lakhs into 10 upon 100 into 9 upon 12. 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12. 0 0 0 0. 7,500. 7,500. Just 0 0 22,500. So accrued here not added in interest on FD, that is given 15,000. 15,000 you can find in column 15,000. Add accrued interest. Accrued interest 7,500 plus 7,500 equal to 22,500. That will be 22,500. And then after the depreciation will be charged. That is given on 1st April 2018. The club owned furniture 1,10,000. Furniture is valued at rupees 1,05,000 on 31st March 2019. And furniture purchased also 15,000. So 1,10,000. 1,10,000 plus 15,000 minus 1,05,000 is equal to 20,000. That will be the depreciation. To depreciation on furniture. To depreciation on furniture. Is equal to 20,000. Equal to 20,000. Now go through the information given. 6 information given in your questions. Subscription received during the year included rupees 10,000 from a life membership fee and donation. Book value of defense fund. Done. Municipal taxes. Done. Rent 5,000 related to the previous year, and then after the 2,500 is still in area. It was decided to treat 40% of the amount received on account of legacies and donation as income. Done. Depreciation done. So the income and expenditure account, this is the process has been prepared. So now total this one. First we can total this one. Zero, 5, 8, 2,78,500. Just we can write over here, and this one is the total also deducted. Because of that, the income column exceeding the expenditure column. 2,78,500. And then after 2 surplus 2,06,000. 2 surplus 2,06,000. That will be the surplus. Because of that, the income column exceeds the expenditure column. Now dear children, and this will be added in the capital fund. This is the steps involving preparing the financial statement of not for profit making organization. Thank you very much. Keep on watching.